Hello guys, welcome back to another short video on SharePoint. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a Power BI report directly into your SharePoint site. Yes, that's possible without required of any coding. You can easily embed any Power BI report which you have created in your site. For that one, first you need to have a site, either it's a team site or communication site, and you need to have a Power BI report. Here I have a team site and a simple report where I have two charts which shows the units sold by country wise and sum of sales by product wise. So this is a Power BI report where I am having this dashboard. If you don't have any Power BI report, you can go to app.powerbi.com and you can create your own reports. So as I am having this sales financial report, let's add this one in our team site. To add this report in your team site, the first step is click on this file option at the top left. And here you can see there is an option called embed report. Under that one, you can see SharePoint Online. So you can embed this report in SharePoint Online or any other websites or developers website. So currently we are interested to embed this one in SharePoint. So let's click on this option. Now you will get a link. So let's copy this one and go back to our team site. Here click on edit page. Currently we have different sections. One is for news and title and some other sections as well. So let's add one separate section with one column so that the report occupies the entire page. So now we have a section. As we know, these web parts on the right side which are used for different purposes. These web parts gives flexibility to add different multimedia elements and different options or content. Here we are going to use a dedicated web part which is added by the SharePoint. So for that one, click on see all web parts and here search for Power BI. Here you can see the option Power BI. Click on that one. Now you can see Power BI. Web part is added in our section. So let's click on add report. In the first box where it's showing as Power BI report link, paste the link which you have copied just now from powerbi.com. As soon you paste the link, you will get the pages available in that report. You can choose the page from different available pages. Then choose the display ratio for which you want to display it in your site. That's it. Now save this. Now you can see in your team site, we got the Power BI report embedded in our SharePoint site. And another thing you can observe here is it's not only a snapshot, it's an interactive report similar to how it will see in Power BI report. For example, if you click on Mexico, the related filter is applied to the sales as well. So these are the simple steps which we need to follow to add a Power BI report in our SharePoint site. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.